everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Sorry about my voice. Sorry. Haven't been feeling very well for about a week now. And I just can't get my voice back. So I do apologize, and I probably won't be talking a whole lot through this video. Just so you don't have to listen to my voice go all different pitches. But I'm gonna just do, this is a 16 by 20 inch Artist Off canvas. The colors I'm gonna use, I have Artist Off black for the bottom for my base. I'm using Creative Inspirations Sky Blue. It is mixed with a little bit of titanium white from Amsterdam. Blinkrylic's Florescent Blue. Decoart's Dazzling Metallic Pearl Peacock. Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold. And SoHo's Prussian Blue. I know you're not going to be able to see a whole lot of this, but hopefully the way I layer it, we'll be able to see a little bit of it. And then I'm using Amsterdam's Titanium Black for my SHMEAR color, if I end up doing that. I'm not really sure if I'm going to do a whole lot of smearing or not yet. I'm just going to kind of start playing around here and let's see what happens. So I do apologize. I want to thank everybody for joining me. Like I said, I'm probably not going to talk a whole lot through this video just because my voice will go out. And I do apologize for that. I'm just going to kind of have some leftover paint, so I'm just kind of playing around here and see what we get. I want to have some negative space, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So I'm going to put on some music, but I do thank everybody for joining me. Like I said, I do apologize for my voice, and I appreciate you guys so much, all your love and support. I believe I'm at 800 subscribers now, so thank you guys. I love you. I appreciate everybody and all your kind words and support. My channel's slowly growing, but it is growing, and that's all I care about, and I appreciate you guys. So let's get to creating and have a little fun here. So I'm going to put on some music, and I'll be back. Okay, I think I'm going to stop because I really like this. I think this is just beautiful. I get enough of my Prussian blue that I'm so happy with that I got to see that. This gold is just stunning. And then the shimmer in there. As my little sweet Jade would say, shimmer, shimmer. Yeah, but I think I am going to stop here and I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Bring it down for a close-up. I apologize for the glare from the light on the ceiling. Just look at, sorry. Just look at how pretty that shimmer is. That gold and that. I think that maroon one, I forgot I added that one in and I didn't have this right here. This is Blinkrylic's Magenta, Florescent Magenta. I forgot to have that bottle over here, so I do have that in there as well. That's what this is here. And just look at that. Those amazing cells. It's so pretty. And so much shimmer. Shimmer, shimmer. And I love the negative space. It's pretty, it's just simple and it's beautiful. I think it can go like any direction too. Like I think this way would be pretty. It's beautiful. You have to tell me what you think. I do appreciate everybody for watching. And like I said, I apologize for my voice. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID. And I hope everybody had good holidays. And hopefully everybody has an amazing new year. And yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed and you will like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazz. And all my art is for purchase. You can email me at amyscreativeacrylics@gmail.com or message me on Facebook Messenger. My Facebook page is Amy's Creative Acrylics, and then it has Johnson on it. My last name, I don't know. I set it up wrong. I'm not very tech savvy. And I also have an Instagram, Amy's Creative Acrylics as well. You can see all my paintings there if you see anything you like or anything. Maybe you like a style, but you want a different color. I can do commission work as well. And yeah, I do appreciate you guys. Hopefully, if you're new, you enjoyed and you will like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put my next video up. I usually do them on Wednesdays and Sundays. Every once in a while I'll do a random one here or there if I do a collaboration or something on a different day. But I do appreciate you guys and all my supporting subscribers already. I love you guys so much. You guys mean so much, and you just, yeah, you guys are awesome. Awesome, awesome. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to bed. But I will have a good day, everybody. Have a good evening. Sorry about my voice. And keep being creative. Bye.